Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Remove both AirPods Pro and check the mic grills closely for wax or lint. Use a soft bristled brush to dislodge surface debris. Once done, lightly dab a lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe external surfaces. Make sure to avoid liquid inside ports. Then disconnect Bluetooth from your phone so you can test each bud individually. This fast prep prevents pushing gunk deeper and sets you up to tackle the core cleaning and software checks next. Now perform the deep clean. Hold the AirPod with the microphone facing down and brush at a low angle so debris falls away. Follow with short compressed air bursts from 2 to 3 inches. Never insert pins. You test one AirPod at a time using voice memos to isolate which mic is muffled. Once identified, swap and retest. Then reboot your phone, reset network Bluetooth if issues persist, and check firmware version. Updating firmware can fix processing glitches that make mics sound muffled. Finish by repairing the cleaned AirPods to your device and run final mic tests in calls and voice memos to confirm clarity. If the problem persists, perform a factory reset. Place both AirPods in the case, close lid, wait 30 seconds, then hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber and white. Repair afterward. Troubleshoot by calling from a second device. If muffling remains on multiple devices, contact Apple support or arrange a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.